go back to the question I asked kanina. Marco first. Anong personality trait mo dapat sana gusto mo mag-stand out?
Ano po, nakikita niyo naman yung humor. Because I like laughing at things. I like laughing at myself. I don't really like taking things too seriously. So, yun. So, pag nervous ako, comedy. Yun lang naman ako eh. So, at the end of it, sana yun yung nakikita ng mga chicks.
John, you?
Sa akin, siguro napaka-honest ako. It's a fault also eh. But I'm always honest with people or kunyari may tanong, I'm always giving the honest answer. I don't really like to lie. Kasi, so
That's actually a good point. Diba? Hindi kawalan. I mean, that's really a plus. Joff, you?
Ako, kasi I'm really shy eh. If you don't know me, hindi ako magsasalita. I'm just gonna sit in a corner. That time will come maybe. Pero if you get to know me, doon lumalabas yung pagkakalog ko. So, yun.
Ikaw, Jay?
Hindi ako kasi seryoso din kasi ako eh. Parang, I mean, meron ibang, siyempre, yung nilalabas ko, like John, I try my best to be honest at all times. Parang,
Lalo
gusto ko talaga, sa simula pa lang, malatag ko na lahat, kahit yung masasama. Kahit, I mean, given naman na maganda eh. Just try not to put my best foot forward.
Okay. Kung kayo ay ganyang ka-good looking, kailangan ba yung mga girlfriend nyo ay ganun din, good looking din, sexy, basta attractive? John?
syempre dapat may level of attraction dyan. So, for me, I have a different perspective of beauty. So,
ano
ayaw ka
siya?
ng puti-puti.
Kasi maputi ka na eh. Kasi lagi mo kasama si Jake.
Joke lang, Jake. Sorry, bro.
What about Marco?
Sa akin naman, dating talagang hinahanap ko sa babae. Yung
Like, paano?
confident, as in, papasok siya sa kwarto and then everybody's gonna look, I'm gonna look.
Hindi yung face na...
Hindi really face it. Appeal talaga, sex appeal.
yung pasok. Joff, ikaw. Hindi nakakatawa na ako.
Oh, for me, what's important is chemistry with that person.
Do you know that instantly?
Yeah, sometimes you just know it talaga eh. Everything just comes naturally. You don't even have to think about things.
You mean when you open your mouth, the two of you, and you start...
Conversations.
Hindi mahirap makipag-usap.
It's the physical that attracts you to that someone, but it's what's inside that makes you stay.
Jake, ikaw.
And tama si Jeff dun sa... Yung attraction kasi sa simula lang yan eh. Pero in the long run, what you really need is chemistry. What you need is parang... Siyempre, iba yung feeling na when you talk to someone na hindi ka nag-e-effort na mag-isip ng topic, hindi ka nag-e-effort mag-isip ng pag-uusapan, yung lumalabas lang talaga. At yun para sa akin, yun talaga importante. Kasi siyempre, in the long run, hindi naman pwede nagtitinginan ng kayo the whole time.
Anyway, kapag nagkaroon kayo ng kunyari, conservative na girlfriend, kunyari it happens tapos sinabi sa inyo, you know, parang ayoko, hindi ko natitake yung lalabas kayo in skimpy outfits or in no outfits, only skimpy.
No Jeff, laking problema na.
Tapos tumitili yung mga babae sa inyo, parang nagiging sex object kayo, dapat akin lang. Anong mangyayari nun? Hindi mo na siya girlfriend.
Sa akin, kailangan niya maintindihan kasi kasama yun sa trabaho eh.
So, umpisa pa lang dapat malinaw.
Dapat parang may line na kayo na parang this is work, this is my responsibilities bilang artista. So, kung mahal ka talaga ng tao, sana maintindihan niyo yun. Kasi the stuff that she has to do rin naman, iintindihan din naman natin yun eh, di ba? So, it's 50-50.
Joff, ikaw. Si Joff or Jeff?
Jeff.
Jeff!
Pampagulo lang yun, yun, it's really about... Ano yan? This year, as part of the Cosmo Bash, ang daming nag-react. Daming nag-react to it. A lot of people didn't want me to do it. Pero, wala, kailangan. It's really part of the career. It's a career change. It's part of maturing. So,
What did
respect
Mama
na lang.
think?
She was actually, at first, hesitant. But when she saw it, how it came out, she was very proud.
What about you, Marco?
Sa akin naman, like what everybody said, pag kinakailangan sa trabaho, kailangan gawin. Pero yung guiding ano ko po, when I try to explain it to my conservative girlfriend is, yung sa akin, I think, what if the tables were turned and she had to do it, kaya ko ba? So, yun yung nag-guide sa akin to how to tell her na, oh, yun nga, so sweetie,
Give and
nakasong
take,
ako.
diba? Sweetie, nakasong ako. Kung ako yung sabi ko, okay, ako rin.
Teka lang, patay. Stop.
Yung pala, Toms, sa chinelas pa na nito. Okay, John, you.
She'd have to accept me for what I am. I mean, that's what I like in a girl, who to accept me for what I am. And she knows what I'm doing now. It's a part
At
of my work.
saka, di ba, you do other things naman.
Yeah.
Like you do workshops, diba, you act, or kayo, you're all into something
Actually,
else.
those
Hindi
fashion
naman yun
show-
ang talent.
Yeah, those fashion shows naman usually are just once a year.
Yeah, on the
Maybe
side,
even
nasa-
twice.
It's not our main thing.
Yeah,
talaga.
it's not constant naman. It's not something constant.
But it's also an honor, and it's
Yeah,
a big
yeah,
compliment to be a
diba?
part of a fashion
Yeah,
show.
sobra.
Naka-brief.
Tapos it inspires you to keep yourselves fit, right?
Yeah.
So before the fashion show, paano kayo mag-workout? Mas grabe?
Well, like with me and John, kasi every Sundays we have a group called the Cover Boys. So,
Oo nga. Oo nga.
yung
Tell us
cover
what you
boys.
do, yung mga hindi familiar dyan.
kami, we always have to be working out always.
We
Kasi
pray.
syempre, parang, syempre,
We pray a lot.
syempre, hindi pwedeng, ano kami doon, di in shape. Kunyari, lumabas kami sa ASAP. Eh, that's what we're banking on.
Eto muna, kahit na it's 2008, you're a new breed of gentleman, sa tingin nyo ba, wala pa rin paltos sa panunuyo sa babae yung pagbibigay ng bulaklak? That still works. Sa labas ng mga clubs, may nagtitinda pa rin, di ba? May bumibili naman.
Meron pa
You
rin.
still bring minsan, you make an effort. Paano kayo manligaw? Roses, chocolates,
Ako roses more than chocolates.
Yeah, more on the flowers.
Oh,
Yeah.
kasi
flowers.
Yung mga simple na bagay.
Anyway, subukan natin kung totoong wala pa ring palya sa mga babae ang pagbibigay ng roses. Ngayon, sana silang magdadala dyan, pero sabi po namin, para safe lang. Pero sa mga babae safe, yung mga gusto maging babae, parang may duda ko, dito muna kayo. Pero subukan natin. Guys, ayun, nasa likod nyo. Take a look. Don't be shy.
Flower Boys.
Wanna join, Jeff?
Katapat niya.
Join na tayo.
Gaganda naman ang katawan.
Join na tayo.
Okay, habang nakatulala po mga babae, para naman kayo allergic. Diyos ko, magbabalik po ang...